Hey there, I'm Matt Haugen, and this is our How to Drift Guaranteed DVD video. Are you tired of being a loser, not knowing how to drift, doing burnouts? Wake up! Come on, get up off your couch, get excited. After watching these videos, you'll be competing in pro drift instantly. Any drift series in the world, including Formula Drift, D1NZ, or D1GP, it doesn't matter, you'll be killing it. We're about to show you how to drift for only 10 payments of $69.99 or a one-time payment of $850.
I'm not gonna come out here and tell you that I didn't already know how to drift, because I did. But I got these videos, you know, they were a gift. I just thought, hey, for the hell of it, I'm just gonna watch these, you know, give them the benefit of the doubt. I didn't learn anything from them, but I'm drifting pretty hardcore anyway. These are a great video if you want, you know, to learn some style points.
Are you tired of being the only one at the racetrack who can't drift? Are you sick of watching all your friends have all the fun? Are doing burnouts and donuts just getting plain boring? Now introducing How to Drift with me, Matt Haugen. As a world-renowned motorsports athlete and professional drifter myself, I'm gonna let you in on some of the secrets and some of the key things you need to know to get drifting right now. Some of the features of this video set right here are including, but not limited to, downshifting, how to manji, how to reverse entry, how to do perfect donuts, most common beginning drifting mistakes, and much more.
To be honest, the only real drifting I've ever done is on Forza, but now, thanks to How to Drift from Haugen Racing, I'm really learning a lot about drifting in person.
I wasn't a natural born racing champion, and neither are you.
I only had my mom's minivan.
But after a lifetime of hard work, sweat and tears,
my life goal is to be a professional drifter.
I'm letting you in on my secrets so you can avoid the financial, mental, and marital anguish I experienced, and you can just start right here with these How to Drift videos. These videos are jam-packed with facts, history, and professional advice. I guarantee you'll be drifting in no time with these beautifully rendered videos.
Yeah, I watch those videos, and you know, now all my friends call me Hoss. Me and my buddies used to just drift my tractor around, and now I'm the best drifter in my town in Alabama.
Gone are the days of doing one-wheel burnouts in your box trying to impress your friends. Because now you got How to Drift, the one-stop shop for your drifting needs. This set normally retails for $695. That's $695.00. But if you order in the next 18 seconds, we're gonna give you both of these for only 10 payments of $69.95. This is an unbelievable deal. It's absolutely outrageous. You need to do it right now. Pull that credit card out, get these damn DVDs and purchase right now. Get on HaugenRacing.com.
You know, I was already drifting before. I learned everything I know from, you know, Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift. Hey, that's my jam. You know, if y'all see me or you're all out in Bakersfield ever, hit me up, Blake Slayton, my at Blake Slayton.
Hey dude, you're supposed to be doing a customer testimonial for our video. There's no self-promotion on here.
I don't know what you're talking about. Blake Slayton.
You can pick up these DVDs at your local Blockbuster or HaugenRacing.com. These videos are only 10.5 hours long each, but you can sit down and watch them both at the same time. Both these videos are packaged with over 30 hours of behind the scenes. It's filled with bullshit that you've never seen before. You might be wondering what I did before making these How to Drift videos. Well, I'll tell you what, I was fucking homeless. I didn't have $1. I didn't have 2 dimes to rub together.
I pretty much just stay in the basement most of the time. I can't wait for that day to finally come true and for my inside vision to, you know, flourish.
Tired of looking like a pussy driving an automatic? How to Drift. Learn to drive stick shift now. We've already sold 17 copies of this video as we speak. You better get that credit card out right now in order before we run out. We've only made 30 of them. I can't even handle how good of a deal this is. You need to buy it right now!
You don't know where he is? You don't know where he went? Okay, well, we gotta find him because that guy is out of his mind right now. Oh, I think he's off his meds. We gotta find him before somebody else does. I have no idea where he went. Do you guys know where he went? Out here in Alabama, living with my mom and my sister and my 2 brothers and my cousin Johnny and his wife and his other wife, there's not much opportunity for me to go out and drive on a racetrack. I can drift really good now because of these videos.
Hold on, I'm preparing for that.
If you get down on these videos, I promise, you know, you'll be getting all the honeys, dude. Seriously, I got all the honeys, and I can drift. What's up?
So you already know how to drift? Doesn't matter. These are gonna take you to an entirely new level you can't even imagine.
Oh, San Bernardino. Fucking Bakersfield.
World, you'll get every chick you ever wanted. Okay, let me go. You tired of being lonely? Tired of sitting and watching D1 GP videos by yourself? Not anymore! I can't even handle how good of a deal this is. You need to buy it right now!